In the heart of the sun, where pressure is unimaginable and heat reaches millions of degrees, something extraordinary is born. A flash of energy, a tiny spark of light, a photon. It begins its existence inside the sun's core, a place so dense and violent that nothing moves in a straight line. Here, the photon is thrown into chaos, colliding with charged particles again and again, trapped in a labyrinth of fire for thousands of years, then tens of thousands, then hundreds of thousands. It tries to escape. Every collision changes its direction. Every moment is a struggle against a storm that never rests. But slowly, very slowly, it rises from the core to the radiative zone, from the radiative zone to the convective sea, until one day, after a journey longer than human civilization itself, the photon reaches the sun's glowing surface. And at that moment, for the first time in its life, it is free. The sun releases it like a tiny golden arrow into the endless darkness of space. Instantly, it accelerates to the ultimate speed limit of the universe, the speed of light, 300,000 kilometers every second. Now begins the part of its journey we can only imagine. It races past colossal arcs of solar fire, past Mercury's scorched orbit, past the quiet clouds of Venus, and toward a small blue world floating alone in the dark. To the photon, space is silent and smooth. No resistance, no slowing down, just an endless path ahead. And then, Earth appears, a glowing marble of oceans and clouds. The photon glides into the atmosphere, striking molecules of air, scattering colors, lighting the sky blue. Some photons are lost to clouds, dust, and water vapor. But this one continues. It dives through beams of sunlight pouring between clouds. It dances across leaves and drifting dust. It slips through the air and touches a human eye. In a fraction of a second, the photon passes through the cornea and lens, bending and focusing, traveling deeper into the warm biological world inside. It strikes a single cell on the retina and disappears. But something miraculous happens in its place. A tiny electrical signal ignites. It flows through delicate neural pathways, racing into the brain. And there, in total darkness, the signal becomes something greater. It becomes vision, color, memory, emotion. The entire world you've ever seen, every sunrise, every face, every moment, is built from countless photons completing the same journey. A journey that began in a star and ended in you. And so, the story of a photon is not just a story of light. It is a story of connection between a distant star and a living mind, between the universe and the one who looks back at it. Because every second of your life, light travels across space to reach you, carrying warmth, color, and meaning. And when it touches you, your world becomes alive.